we're going to be creating an IVR. So we can come down to the basic core features, IVR, and click Add. We'll give it a name. And we will leave most of the default settings on here. So we've got ones like this is the welcome prompt. So we'll leave it on the default for now, and I'll show you how to change that shortly. We'll leave the digit timeouts to 3 seconds. So this means that if a digit key is not pressed within 3 seconds, then it will time out. Then we have a response timeout. So if nothing has been entered for 10 seconds, then you'll get a timeout response. And then if you enter an invalid input, then you'll get the invalid message prompt. And then these two specify how many times it'll repeat before going to the timeout or invalid destinations down here. So currently, once it exceeds those 3 timeouts of either the timeout or the invalid response, it'll play the goodbye message. So under here, we're going to select a key pressing event. So for key number 1, let's pick our ring group, which is the workshop, and we'll leave our time condition as all for now, and then click Save. Now we come down to our inbound route, and we need to edit that and change the inbound route destination to now go to our IVR. So what we're doing here is when the call comes in, it's now going to hit our IVR as the first port of call, and then that will then give the user options where they can press 1 to ring the workshop.
Welcome.
There's our welcome prompt from our IVR. Now I'm going to press 1, which will ring the ring group. Okay, so if we try that again, this time I'm going to try an invalid prompt.
Welcome. I am sorry, that's not a valid extension. Please try again. Welcome. I am sorry, that's not a valid extension. Please try again. Welcome.
Okay, and we'll try it the third time.
Goodbye.
And that's our goodbye response. Okay, so now we've got the IVR working. You may want to actually record some messages for it. So we can do this under the prompt section. Which is voice prompt under PBX settings. And we'll go custom prompt. Now it's very simple to record a custom prompt. We just click record, give it a file name. Let's say welcome customer. select the format, and then you pick an extension that you want to record this on. So when I click record, the PBX is going to ring extension 1001, and it's going to ask me to create a recording, and then it will save it back to the PBX.
Please speak louder to ensure a clear recording. When done, hang up or press the pound key for more options.
Welcome to my company. Please press 1 for the workshop. Thank you. Okay, so I've created that. So we'll now do a refresh. And we can also play this back as well. So if I go play, I can pick one of the extensions to play it back on. Welcome to my company. Please press 1 for the workshop. Thank you. Okay, so now we've got that. Let's go back to our IVR. Click Edit. And we'll select our welcome customer. And this is where you could create those invalid prompts as well. So instead of having the timeout response, the standard one from the PBX, you can customize it and create your own one. And under here as well, instead of the goodbye message, you'll be able to select a prompt that you've created there. So I will come back in here and I will change it to our prompt. Now you can also add a second prompt if you like, so that might be useful in some cases where you have a main prompt and then maybe you want to add a temporary prompt in front of that or behind it, depending on where you situate it here. That can be quite useful for like temporary greetings. So I'll click Save and apply changes. Come back here to the active calls and we'll make another call. Welcome to my company. Please press 1 for the workshop. Thank you. And that's how to create a ring group with an IVR and a voice prompt.